Manual coffee grinder set, hand coffee mill with conical ceramic Burr 2 glass jars, and soft brush for coffee beans and spices by Mixpresso. The best hand coffee grinder, built-in adjustable grind selector, ensures you have 100% precision control over the coarseness of your pour-over, drip, Chemex, cold brew, French press, Percolator, AeroPress, Turkish, Espresso, Keurig K Cup, or spice grind. Coffee grinder manual, no batteries, power, or long plastic cords needed to operate your portable compact coffee bean grinder, allowing you to travel with and brew freshly roasted ground coffee beans on your next camping, hiking, backpacking, or outdoors trip. Quieter than an electric grinder, convenient removable hand crank mechanism consistently eliminates over 90% of the noise that electric grinders produce. Imagine grinding your favorite Java roast quietly in an office cubicle or in your kitchen when your loved ones are fast asleep. Traditional design, crafted with the same essence as traditional Japanese cookware, our handheld ceramic combo burrs are designed tested through 3 professional-grade inspections to last 5x longer than stainless steel blades. To maximize the freshness of your coffee and get the best taste out of your brew without pesky oxidization. Customer support. We, at Mixpresso, offer not only top-grade quality products, but also provide top-of-the-line customer service along with our 1-year no-questions-asked warranty policy, which you won't get with other brands. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.